Hi, I'm Jeff Kaufman of Silver Sport Transmissions. I'm going to take you back to the shop, get you updated on day 2 of the Hemmings Motor News 1981 Chevy Suburban conversion to the Tremec TR-4050 5-speed. It's Thursday morning, April 15th. The crew has not arrived yet. I'll spin this around, show you what we have, and we'll go from there. Okay, the Suburban came in with an SM465 4-speed. This has been a popular transmission over the years to be strong, a nice low gear. Problem is it doesn't have an overdrive, so that's what came out of it. The adapter on the back is for an NP208. I'll show you that in a second. So what we have done day 1 was basically assessing the situation, doing some disassembly. We have measured for the drive shafts. We have checked the bell housing runout. So we made quite a bit of progress yesterday. We have a new floor mat ordered. I'll have to show you that when we drop the Suburban down. But what's going in it is the TR-4050 5-speed. This has a 600 torque capacity, 6.16 low gear, and the nice thing for all you guys, an overdrive. 5th gear is a 0.76 or a 24% overdrive for highway driving. The transfer case that's going back in it is the NP205. The difference between this and the 208, the 208 is a chain drive transfer case, 205 is gear drive. So a lot of people run the 205, nice heavy duty cast iron housing, gear driven. The adapter is made by Advanced Adapters. This goes from the figure 8 bolt pattern to the circle 6. This shows our linkage adapter for the transfer case shifter. Here's the 208. It's a chain drive, the NP208 chain drive transfer case. So that's what came out. The bell housing, the SM465 does have the Muncie 4-speed bolt pattern. So that's the bell housing that came out. The difference between the two, this bell housing, again made by Advanced Adapters. The TR-4050 has the same bolt pattern as an NV4500. So this works with small block, big block, LS, anything with the traditional small block, big block bolt pattern. This does come with a fork kit, so you can do mechanical linkage or you can do hydraulics, do both. All right, so that basically sums up the update here this morning. We'll follow up with some more information as it unfolds. Drive shafts should be ready today. We're excited.